Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Window Air Conditioner. Number 5, Friedrich CP05G10B Air Conditioner. Powerful, 5,200 BTUs of cooling power that will cool rooms up to 150 square feet. Ultra-quiet operation, window AC designed to cut operation noise to a minimum. Continuous auto air sweep louvers, automatically oscillate louvers left and right. Power cord flexibility, can run either left or right out of the side of the unit front. Specifications, 15.4 by 18.6 by 12.3 inches, DXWXH. Number 4, LG LW8016 or 8000 BTUs 115 volts window. 2016 Energy Star, 12.1 energy efficiency ratio, EAR. Uses standard 115 volts electrical outlet. Product dimensions 19.60 x 19.4 w x 12.4 h inches. 8,000 BTUs cools a room up to 340 square feet, dehumidification up to 2.2 pints per hour. 3 cooling speeds / 3 fan speeds for cooling flexibility. Number 3, Frigidaire 0511R15, BTUs 115 volts window. 5,000 BTUs mini compact air conditioner for window-mounted installation uses. Quickly cools a room up to 150 square feet with dehumidification up to 1.1 pints per hour. Mechanical rotary controls, 2 cool speeds, 2 fan speeds. Low power startup, quiet operation and effortless restart. Energy efficiency ratio, EAR, 11.1, measures, 16 inches. Number 2, Cold Front Walk 6002 Co 6050 BTUs. 6050 BTUs window air conditioner engineered for spaces ranging in size. Fits windows 22 inches to 36 inches wide with the minimum. Digital display, dehumidifier, sleep mode, 3 fan speeds. Energy efficiency ratio, EAR, 12.1, Energy Star rated with Energy Saver mode. This window air conditioner does not require a wall sleeve. Number 1, Midea MO06R1BWT window air conditioner. 3-in-1 functionality, Midea's 3-in-1 technology combines air conditioning, fast cooling. This 6000 BTUs model provides fast and efficient cooling. Innovative features, a clear LED display on the front panel, as well as the included remote control. Easy installation. This window unit installs easily without significant modification. Worldwide warranty. Midea is the world's largest provider of air conditioning products.